to BritDoesBBQ. I'm Mr. T. Today we're going to do part 3 of our belly pork trilogy. We're going to do like a char siu pork. I'm going to steal a recipe that Harry Soo did on his channel not long ago. And we're going to do it in the Oklahoma Joe Longhorn. We'll try and slice this up, marinate it, and then hang it some way in the pit. We'll use the offset. We're going to use some lumpwood charcoal and some blocks of wood. Yeah, I'm not quite sure which smoking wood we're going to use. We'll see what we can find in the bin over there. Let's get cooking, eh? Like and subscribe. Right guys, here's our belly pork. I'm going to cut this into strips, maybe 4, maybe 5, probably 4. And then we're going to marinate it in the sauce. For the sauce, Harry Soo used hoisin, honey and food colouring for his Walmart special. I'm also going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to add some garlic powder, sesame oil and some Chinese five spice to mine. A tablespoon of 5 spice powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 3/4 cup of honey, if we can get this out, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we've got some of Mrs. T's baking red food colouring out. As you can see, careful with this stuff. That's just in a 1/4 cup of water. Then we'll work all that together with a whisk. It smells great. There we go. Let's move on to the pork. Let's put this pork open. I think I'm going to do it lengthways. First of all, down the middle. And then each of these down the middle as well. Okay, so these are our pieces. The plan is to hang these, marinate them, and hang them in the barbecue. Still haven't figured that bit out yet, but I'll try and figure a way. Let's put these in the marinade. If they'll fit. Just give these a turn in the sauce, make sure that the marinade gets all over. And we will leave these for as long as possible. Probably going to be 2 or 3 hours for me. There we go, just cover them in wrap and put them in the fridge. Here's our setup, our Oklahoma Joe Longhorn, and in the pit we've got some Cowboy brand oak and hickory hardwood lump, and we've also got a few splits of a plum tree there. In here you can see the fire going, the splits well lit. Close that up, we've got the vent wide open, and in here we have our smoke chamber with our homemade kind of like a line to hang the meat off. Okay, so you can see the fire in there. We're going to try and get this up to a steady 400. We're climbing up now to 203. And when this gets to 400 for about 10-15 minutes, I'll start putting the meat on. Right, here we have the belly pork ready to go on the barbecue. I'm going to use this skewer. Mrs. T's going to do this skewering because she's the one that fits the gloves. So let's have a go. Let's get it on these skewers. Go ahead, Mrs. T. So we're going to try and put all the fat facing the same way so we can face the fat towards the flame, because with it being an offset we've got the heat coming from one direction. Do about 1 inch from the top. You can see that red colour. And there we have it. So we've got our belly pork. We're up at 400 degrees. Let's see it. Without dropping it. There we go. And what I will probably do is I'll try and move these over a little bit. And I'll go and get my utensils. As you can see down there, there's the fire. I'm going to keep this at 400 degrees. Wish it good luck. Okay, we're about 30 minutes in now. And as you can see, I put a little silver foil tray there just to deflect some of that heat, as we were getting some really strong flames as I built my fire too big. Still learning how to do this offset barbecue, but we've got a good temperature now. We're regular, staying in at 4 or 5. Gonna wait till they get to temperature. Dripping really nice into the bottom of my barbecue. I can't wait to have to clean that. Right, we're finished. I had some problems with this. Can't seem to get the heat on this offset done properly. So what I did was I cooked it to temperature at high heat, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I just let it cool down naturally, put a blocker in there. It's been sitting around about 260-300 degrees for the last hour, so we'll just let that fat render. Right, I'm going to take this off. We'll take this inside and give it a taste test. Here we go. Let's take these off. Let's do one at a time. Okay. There she is. Let's cut some slices. Smells great. Let's give it a taste. Here it is. Char Siu or Char Siu belly pork. Very nice. I would have marinated it a bit longer though. Can't really taste much of the marinade, except when you're eating the actual outside. Leaving it a little bit longer would have penetrated it a bit more, I think. But I was just too eager. But it's cooked okay. I was a bit worried that it might be tough, but it's not. It's actually quite tender. I need to practice on my offset skills though. Couldn't get that fire to play ball, I think they say over it. But it's good. But that's the end of our belly pork trilogy. If you like what you're seeing, go and check out some of the other videos that I've done. And in fact, we've got some sausages coming up soon. I've ordered some seasoning from the UK, so keep an eye out for those. And keep cooking. Enjoy. Good.